Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 55 Spencer Street here in Springfield, Massachusetts.
If you're in the market for a charming 3-bedroom colonial in East Forest Park with a wraparound farmer's porch, then you're not going to want to miss this one.
I love this updated property. Some of my favorite features are the updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances.
This incredible property includes 3 bedrooms, all with unique features such as a walk-in closet and an amazing balcony.
There's so much character throughout this home with a large living room, wood floors, and tons of built-ins. You've got to come take a look.
Centrally located and close to everything, this beautiful property has everything you need, such as a completely fenced-in yard and replacement windows.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 55 Spencer Street here in Springfield, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at the Weingarten team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you.
Don't you know how?
Weird things happen over here. It was long and I got all the way through it. 3 bedrooms. Centrally, ooh, la.
Let's get it.